On a hot and sunny Saturday afternoon, me and my good buddy Bracken took off for an overnight adventure to the Uintas. We took I-80 through Wyoming to get there, passed by the locally famous Devil's Slide and other beautiful rock formations. But before long, we were in the tall pines and dirt roads.
Alright, so me and Bracken here taking a little night trip up here to the Uinta Mountains.
Up here in the Uinta Mountains on the north slope. We gotta go take them up to the Elizabeth Pass. Hopefully there's a campsite up there for us. Real scenic area. You got 360 views. Fun fact, this is our first camping trip together.
This was indeed my first camping experience with a friend. Growing up, I only went with my family, so nerves were high for this adventure.
Alright, so we made it up here to 10,000 feet. We decided to camp right here. It's a beautiful spot. Behind these trees is one hell of a view, that is for sure. Bracken, what do you think of this spot?
I think this is gonna be one of my favorite spots in the Uinta for sure. This is sick.
Dogs are enjoying it so far. Get camp set up and then throw up the drone a little bit and have a good night, man.
We continued to set up camp and just took in the views. This was an awesome location. We had beautiful panoramic views basically right from camp. It was safe to say my nerves weren't gonna stick around long.
Alright, well, we finally got camp all the way set up. It is a beautiful area right here, that is for sure. The view through these trees right now, gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It is amazing out here. I am so excited to get walking around. Scenery.
Oh, it's a beautiful campsite, bro. Beautiful. I love it. A little rocky, but I love it. 10,200 feet.
10,200 feet, boys. For a spot that's just a quick little overnighter thing, this is awesome. I'm loving this. Well, we decided to take a quick little stroll, have a beer. We came to this field. Field's this way. It's right here. But would you look at this view? That is phenomenal. That is awesome.
Look at the contrast.
It's fucking beautiful. It's goddamn gorgeous.
Look at the view behind him as he says that. Woo!
After wandering around the area for a while, we decided to start grilling up some burgers and finally just taking a nice breather.
right before the sun sets. We're just taking one last little quick walk around, seeing the sights, seeing what kind of sunset photos we can get, and then just gonna hang around the fire for the rest of the night, wake up early, explore, and head home.
We wandered over to a meadow just north of camp. It had an amazing view of the mountains nearby, plus this meadow was surrounded by tall pines and made for a perfect place to let the dogs just run free. Definitely one of my favorite spots.
It's beautiful, dude. It is gorgeous.
But the sunset was finally upon us, so we wandered back to camp, got a fire going, kicked back, and just talked for most of the night. The next morning, I woke up at 4 a.m., couldn't get back to sleep, so I fed Bucky and waited for the sunrise.
Well, I didn't get too great a sleep last night. Wasn't too bad though. Just really cold. It's gorgeous out here this morning. Look at that. That is amazing. It is so peaceful out here. It's like 5:30 right now. It's cold. I don't even think Bracken is up yet. I'm just waiting for the sun to come up a little bit more. I'm gonna throw the drone up, get some amazing footage, of course. But I am just enjoying this view right now. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, it's cold. Oh, the mosquitoes are terrible. Probably gonna have to put on more mosquito spray. Man, all that I'm missing right now is a good cup of coffee. I can't wait for the sun to light up this whole valley right here. I think that's gonna be gorgeous. I'm pretty sure what Bracken was telling me last night is last time we were up here. We were all the way over there at that mountain range. It's pretty cool. Is this guy gonna wake up yet, or what?
He was in fact waking up as I wandered back to the tent. Wanting to get going soon, we took one last stroll to the meadow. The sun was just coming up, bathing the landscape in this beautiful orange glow. And if you were ever wondering why I call Bucky a crackhead, this is why. He is just living his best life, and I am so grateful. But after enjoying the sunrise, we just followed the trail south, checking out the other campsites and seeing what else was around.
This is the other side of the mountain, the west side. We've been looking at the east side so far. Where'd my dog go? Alright, well, before we start packing up and heading out, we decided to go for a walk down this trail that's just on the opposite direction of where we've been going normally. Quick little walk before we head out, and it's been beautiful. It's been an amazing time, and I've had a lot of fun. We're just finishing up, picking up camp, making sure we pick up everything, you know, leave no trace. I actually really did have a good time. I had a lot of fun. This was the first time I ever went tent camping with a buddy, other than just like with family or something. So that was a lot of fun. This is the first time camping in the Uintas, actually. So that was also pretty cool. But look at this view. It is just awesome. I am so excited to come back here sometime soon, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
This was an experience and an adventure that I will never forget. The Uinta Mountains are breathtaking. I will definitely be back soon. I want to give a special thanks to my buddy Bracken for lending me his tent and taking me along on this adventure. This would not have been possible without him. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my other videos for more amazing adventures. Until next time, go outside.